Good afternoon, class 3. How are you all? So, class 3, we are here in chapter number 7, 5 Little Brothers. And the 5 Little Brothers is a poem about 5 brothers. And in the poem itself, we got to know that the 5 little brothers were 5 little toes. Okay. And in this poem, we have done poem. Okay. And yesterday only we have done the oral session with question answers, oral session of question answers, and now it is the time to do the notebook work. Okay, in the notebook what you have to do, you have to learn the poem, then you have to write the poem. The second thing that you have to do is you have to learn and write the word meanings, and along with that you have to do question answers, and that too you will learn it first, then you will write it. Now in this class, today's class, take out page number 68 from the same chapter, and today's topic is degrees of adjective from page number 68. Okay? Now first of all, from this topic we should know about what is adjective. What is adjective? Then we will get to know about what is degree of adjective. Okay. Now, what is adjective? Adjective means, in other words, we can say it describing words. And all of you know that any naming words can be described on the basis of size, shape, type, number. Okay. So, let me give you an example. The simplest example is an ice cream. If it is an ice cream, this will be its name. And if you want to describe it, you can say it is sweet, it is tasty, it is cold, okay, or it is yummy, it is delicious. So, sweet, tasty, cold are the words through which we can describe an ice cream. Likewise, if you have a flower, you can describe the flower as little, big, red, yellow, beautiful, isn't it? So likewise, we have described this ice cream as sweet, tasty and cold. Likewise, any naming word can be described in terms of taste, shape, size and number too. Now suppose there are two ice creams here. You can describe them together as sweet, tasty, cold and 2, because they are 2 in number. Now, along with adjective and naming word, you can say it as these are sweet ice creams, these are tasty ice creams, these are cold ice creams, or the ice creams, and these are 2 ice creams. Here we are describing a particular thing. Now, the topic comes degrees of adjectives. What happened in degrees? Degrees means you are comparing two same kind of object on the basis of same quality. दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है, उनकी क्वालिटी भी सेम है, बट उनकी क्वालिटी को ही हम यहाँ पर कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. लाइक इफ दिस आइसक्रीम इज स्वीट, दिस आइसक्रीम इज ऑल्सो स्वीट. ओके, दिस आइसक्रीम इज टेस्टी टू. Along with that, this ice cream is cold too. Now we have to compare. How do we compare it? Suppose out of these ज़्यादा मीठा है. That means अब वर्ड जब दो चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं एक ही क्वालिटी से तो उसमें एक डिग्री उसकी बढ़ जाती है. When we describe anything, particularly that thing, it is called a positive degree. That means the describing word of the adjective is positive. And here, if we are comparing it, and it is better than anything in terms of size, in terms of shape, in terms of taste, then the same adjective is called as comparative. The same adjective is called as comparative. Okay, so here positive means sweet. ये sweet है and this ice cream is sweeter. That means इस आइसक्रीम से ये आइसक्रीम मीठा है. And if there are 3 ice creams and we are comparing among them, अब आप 3 आइसक्रीम में से एक आइसक्रीम को कंपेयर कर रहे हो तो इसमें ये बताया सपोज दिस वन इज द सबसे मीठा. बहुत सारी चीजों में एक ही क्वालिटी को लेकर अगर कंपेयर किया जाए तो ये वाला जो आइसक्रीम है वो सबसे मीठा है. सो इट बिकम्स द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Now what do we do in degrees of comparison? Degrees of adjectives we compare things. और डिग्री और थिंग्स को आप कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो? दो के बीच या बहुत सारों के बीच. ओके, सो हियर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री विल बी स्वीटेस्ट. द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री विल बी स्वीटेस्ट. ओके, टेस्टी. ये आइसक्रीम टेस्टी है. ये आइसक्रीम इस आइसक्रीम से टेस्टी है. सो इट विल बिकम टेस्टियर. और ये आइसक्रीम सबसे टेस्टी है. सो इट विल बी द टेस्टीएस्ट. इट विल बी द टेस्टीएस्ट. हियर दिस आइसक्रीम इज कोल्ड. This ice cream will be colder. What will be the statement? Suppose here it is B. This ice cream is A and this ice cream is C. B is colder than A. B is colder than A and C is the coldest one. C is the coldest one. So these are the degrees of comparison. जब आप सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट को उसके क्वालिटीज के हिसाब से डिस्क्राइब करते हो, they are positive degree of adjective. जब दो चीजों को सेम क्वालिटी के बेसिस पे हम कंपेयर करते हैं, that is comparative degree of adjective. और जब बहुत सारी चीजों में एक सबसे अच्छी, सबसे बुरी, सबसे ठंडी, सबसे गर्म, सबसे अच्छी, सबसे लंबी, सबसे चौड़ी, so that word comes under the degrees of adjective and it is the superlative degrees of adjective. Okay, so now we will do the exercise on page number 70, but before that let us read some more examples. Now the examples are on page number 69. It is on page number 69 and you need to take your book in your hand. I am reading it from the very beginning. See here, you can see 3 boys. And the boys Boys are given number as 1, 2 and 3. Now let me read it. In order to compare the qualities of a noun like size, shape, type and number, degrees of adjectives are used. And on the basis of these pictures only, it is described here. Okay, and what is described? Boy 2 is taller than 1. Boy 2 is taller than 1. Boy 3 is taller than, boy 3 is the tallest. And in that sense, boy 1 is the shortest. Number 3 पे जो boy है वो सबसे लंबा है और number 1 पे जो boy है वो सबसे छोटा है. Okay. Now come to page number 69. To compare two things or person with the same quality, we add er to the adjective. This is called comparative degree. Do not forget to add the word than to compare. THAN than. जब comparative degree use किया जाता है THAN than use किया जाता है adjective के बाद. जैसे he is taller than Ram. She is wiser than Reena. Okay. Likewise, there are some more examples. Short, shorter. Dark, darker. Big, bigger. Light, lighter. High, higher. Nice, nicer. Now, the next one is to compare more than two things or persons with the same quality. We add est to the adjective. This is called superlative degree. Do not forget to add the before the adjective. जब superlative degree हम use करते हैं, इससे पहले the लगाया जाता है. जैसे the largest, the biggest, the shortest, the longest, the sweetest, the nicest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent. Okay. So we got to know that each and every adjective has 3 degrees. हर adjective का 3 degree होता है. पहला होता है positive, second is the comparative and third is the superlative. Okay. Now the same is given here on page number 69. I am reading it out. To compare more than two things or persons with the same quality, we add est to the adjective. This is called superlative degree. Do not forget to add the before the adjective. And examples are short, shorter, shortest, dark, darker, darkest, big, bigger, biggest, light, lighter, lightest, high, higher, highest, nice, nicer, nicest. For adjectives ending in y, remove y and add ier and ies to compare. For example, happy, happier, happiest. In this, you need to observe how spellings have been changed. Okay. Now, here there are 2 examples which don't lie under this spelling rule. IER और IEST वाले spelling rule को कुछ adjectives जो है वो follow नहीं करते हैं. इसमें से 2 examples यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. That is beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Now come to page number 70. Now we are here at page number 70. The topic is the same one, degrees of adjectives. Some adjectives can change completely in the comparative and superlative forms, and those are, look here, it is given much, more, most, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Now see the example, what is written? My thumb is bigger than my little brother's thumb. मेरा अंगूठा मेरे भाई के अंगूठे से बड़ा है. My mom's thumb is biggest in the family. मेरी मम्मी का thumb जो है वो हमारी पूरी family में सबसे बड़ा है. Now the second example is, the red pen is more expensive than the blue pen. It's not then, it's than. The red pen is more expensive than the blue pen. जो red pen है वो blue pen से ज़्यादा महंगा है. And the next is the green pen is the most expensive one in the collection. और इन सब में से green pen सबसे ज़्यादा expensive है या फिर सबसे ज़्यादा जिसका मूल्य सबसे ज़्यादा है. Now here see this exercise. Fill in the blanks with the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Degrees of adjective. Now see here there is a table in which some blank space is given that we need to fill. So this exercise we will do it now. Okay? Now let us start. The first one is, I have told you that there are how many degrees of comparison, degrees of adjectives? They are positive, then comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. The first one, there is no serial number given, okay? New, newer, NEWER, and this will be newest. This is the first one. Now the second one is dash, louder, dash. So it will be loud, louder, LOUDER, and it will be loudest, LOUDEST, loudest. Now the next one, cool, dash, dash. So the degrees of adjective will be cool, cooler, coolest. Cool, cooler, coolest. See the spelling? COOLER, COOLEST. Cool, cooler, coolest. Now the next one is dash, more intelligent, most intelligent. Dash, more intelligent, most intelligent. It will be intelligent. Be careful while writing the spellings. Intelligent, more intelligent, and here it will be most intelligent. MOST, most, INTELLIGENT. Most intelligent. Now next, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now the next is high, higher, highest. HIGH, high. HIGHER, higher. HIGHEST, highest. High, higher, highest. The next two are, I hope this is legible. You can read it. The letters you can read it. The next one is dash, dash, warmest. Dash, dash, warmest. That means it is warm, warmer, warmest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Please write carefully. And the last one is clever dash dash. And the answers are clever, cleverer, clever, cleverer, C-L-E-V-E-R-E-R. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. C-L-E-V-E-R-E-S-T. Cleverest. Okay. Now the next is, come to this exercise that is on page number 71. I am showing you like this. Okay. You need to write the types of footwear. What kind of footwears are these? Number one, you can see that there are rollers under the shoe. So these are roller skates. See, all the words are given here in the help box. You have to write all the words from the help box only. The first shoe is the roller skates. The second shoe that you are the second type of footwear, which is a sleeper, or you can see it a room wear, it is called flip flop. F-L-I-P flip, F-L-O-P-S flops. The second one, the third one, this kind of shoe which is in maroon color, this kind of shoe is called sneakers. S-N-E-A-K-E-R-S. Now the next is, it is a long boot. It is a boot and these are called boots. B-O-O-T-S, boots. Next is the hard sole. It has a hard sole shoe. It is a hard sole shoe and it is called loafers. Loafers. And the last one is a long boot. This boot is longer than this. Okay. So it is called can you see, this boot is longer than this and it is called cowboy boots. Okay. So class 3, this was all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.